Hello everybody, it's time for another suite tour at Harrah's Resort Atlantic City. This is an Atrium suite, room 1559. Let's go in and show you around. But first a little check of the hallway. Okay. As you come in, you have these three seating areas. You have the 2 chairs here and a table. Pretty nice sized table. You could eat on this if you wanted to later, if you want to bring food up to your room. But now you can eat past 10 o'clock in a restaurant and you can drink on the floor all night. So maybe you won't do that now. Who knows? Next, you have this beautiful couch. It doesn't look very comfortable, but it's a pull-out. And it's pretty nice, but it's not very comfortable. This is the table that comes with the room. It's a marble table. Looks like it's in decent shape. A little faded, but these rooms do need a renovation. Here is the sectional sofa with a little chase that you can sit on. This one looks pretty nice. Might have to give this a try. So this is the main living area, by the way, of the suite. It's got 3 lights. Now, when you first walk in this room, it was pretty dark. I had to hit the other lights to brighten it up. Otherwise, this was not acceptable. It was too dark. And this one is on the 15th floor. So it has the, like if you go on the website and look at the pictures, the 15th floor ones match the picture that you see online. The rest of them look different and don't have that same background. So I think these were partially upgraded or refreshed at some point. And they're not bad, but they could still use a renovation. But hopefully they don't look like the coastal Bayview and Laguna rooms. Hopefully they go a little bit different in direction. You have the TV here, 3 pull-out drawers. I'm not gonna pull them out because they make loud noises. You have the fridge here, the upgraded TV, which is pretty nice. Now, if I didn't say it, this is the second suite I had. The first one I had was 1258. That room had moths, and there was food stuck to the couch, which I took a picture of the food. The moths I just had to get out because I don't like moths and bugs. It's just disgusting. I tried to ask them to up me to a better suite. They wouldn't do it. So, because it's a weekend, they claim. Let alone they wanted to charge me $300 to get a better suite. Okay, as you go into the hallway, you have the pocket door, which separates the bedroom from the living room, and it's supposed to lock, but I don't know how it does. Oh, it does lock. I don't know. It's supposed to, but maybe it doesn't lock. I don't know. It opens. So you have the safe here. Nothing in it. I always check because sometimes you never know. Maybe you'll find money. It's got an extra blanket, extra pillow, and a bag here, so you can use that pull-out sofa. Here's the updated bathroom, along with the picture on the wall here. Let's walk in. So this has the more upgraded bathroom. The ceiling paint does need to be touched up. It is chipping, but it's still nice. It's got a shower tub combo with a curtain here. Curtain looks pretty good, actually, compared to anything else I was expecting. You have a toilet, all your standard amenities in the suite, a hairdryer. The newer rooms, they have them bagged, but still pretty nice. Your bath products. Now, they don't have the shaving kit. If you were in like the Bayview suite, which I had for Christmas, that was awesome. New Year's Eve, sorry. That was awesome. Here's a sink. This is a bowl sink. Yeah, I like that. I have a waterfall sink at home too. I like it. Got a mirror here. Oh, I just noticed that. Some chips in the wall. I guess maybe there was a different type here before. You've got those switches up there, fire alarm modules, a bunch of stuff not related. You have that up there. Yeah, that's a water faucet. Hopefully that doesn't have to go off at all. Now you're coming into the bedroom here. We have a nice table that opens up. I think it's like a desk drawer. You can work from it if you choose, because I know people do come get these suites and work out of these types of rooms because they have more space and they're more comfortable. So the room is set to 73. I'm gonna drop that temperature to 70 into a high fan because I like a high fan on. Helps me sleep. Now coming here, you have a TV, your office desk and chair. This just has more storage space. They could put a second fridge, I guess, if they wanted to, but they didn't, so they don't have to. That's that one. And these are the drawers, so you can put stuff in them if you want. But I'm not going to use them, I'm only here for one night. Then you have this nice backsplash. Now this is hard to see, it's just, the color is just not appealing on the backsplash. But this room is definitely much better than the first one, because in the first one, the bed wasn't even comfortable. The bed was not acceptable. The bed was like not plush, it was disgusting. It was worn in. This one seems a lot nicer, a little bit more updated of a mattress. Okay, so you've got the lights by the bed that you have to turn on manually. And it's hard to see the switch, if you can see that. It's black on brown, it's hard to see. 2 pillows, no, actually 5 pillows for a king bed, but they're not king pillows. So you think in a king suite, you would think, right, that they would at least have the king pillows. So, you have the phones. Looks like the Harris rooms in general have updated their phones. So now all of the rooms have charging cables in them because they're attached to the phone. So that's a nice feature. So if you can't, obviously, you forget your charger, you're saved because they're attached to the phones. Here's the king size bed. This one seems more comfortable. Let's sit on it. Actually, this one is more. Oh, okay. Not bad, but this one's a metal frame below. This is a metal frame. It's not like the normal one. So it does have that metal frame feel and sound. It sounds like a metal frame, you know? Yeah, you know, could be worse. But at least there's no moths so far. And if there are, then I will move to a new tower. Okay, so you have, so I'm trying to see if I can sleep on this. And it's not the bed, it's the metal frame. I shouldn't be gabbing like this, I'm sorry. But I'm pretty honest about the room. It's not as bad as the first. Did y'all catch that? Did y'all fucking catch that? That light just flickered. That is creepy. If you just caught that, that light flickered. I'll check and see what's wrong with that light in a second. We've got an alarm clock, one of the older ones, at least. This one seems good. Let me check the other one. I don't know what's going on with that. Yeah, no, there's nothing wrong with it. It's weird that that flickered. I don't know. And let me open this drawer. I don't think I can. Too bad there's no Bibles in there. I missed that kind of thing. But now, to finish up the room tour, let me show you this nice city view that you get from this one. Room 1258, the other suite I had was a bay view. But the view didn't matter to me. It was just more of the cleanliness of the room. That was important to me. It wasn't clean. So they said the housekeeping would come up and clean it. So hopefully they do. If they don't, that's horrible. Because Harris needs to get their act together on cleaning. And there you have it, guys. This is a tour of my room here. Of my Atrium suite, room 1159. I hope you enjoyed. I apologize if I got off track or missed anything. But if you like, please subscribe and like. If you don't, feel free to be honest in the comments. Take care.